At this point, our product has been added to our spreadsheet. With fulfillment, I want to be able to see all the components needed to fulfill one or multiple orders, create mock orders, or track the inventory of my raw materials. My truffles aren't connected for fulfillment purposes yet, but my almond milk products are. Under unit entry, I can add in a number of desired units that I want to produce. At first glance, you can see that the following 4 cells have all generated values. We have our total units, time in hours, total costs, and the total sales for both products. If I navigate to the Ingredients tab under Order Fulfillment, I can see the total weight, container count, and costs needed to fulfill my orders. Since I also entered in my inventory count, I can quickly see that I am not in need of any ingredients. Moving on to my Materials tab, I can see similar results and see that I need 55 glass bottles. If I go back to the summary sheet, set the unit entries for my almond milk back to 0, and add a unit entry for my truffles, the cells do update. But if I go back to either my Ingredients or Materials tab, I see that all values are set to 0. I need to connect the raw materials for my milk chocolate truffles. Back on the Ingredients tab, when I click on the first cell under Total Weight, I see the formula above, which accounts for my 16-ounce almond milk plus my 16-ounce almond milk case. To add my truffles, I am going to highlight the last product in my formula from the plus sign to the last parentheses bracket. Right-click to copy it and paste it at the end of the same formula. And just like step 5, I am going to change the 2 existing product names to match my product's tab name. Now I'm going to copy my milk chocolate truffles name from the product tab, click again on the first cell under total weight, and paste my product's name in between the apostrophes for both instances. I am making sure it's the product to the right of the last sum if. I press enter or return. I am now going to highlight this cell again and click and drag the little handle down to the last item in my ingredients list. And I can now see that the value larger than 0 is being generated since I still have a unit entry input on the summary sheet for my truffles. I am going to click back into that first cell and now copy the entire formula above. Then navigate to my materials sheet, click into the first cell under quantity, delete the existing formula, and right-click and paste our formula we copied from the ingredients sheet. Now, just like on our ingredients sheet, I am going to click and drag this first cell down to the last item on our materials list. I can now see that this sheet has also generated values based off of my summary sheet input. To make sure everything is working properly, I can navigate to my truffles product sheet and see that all of my ingredients and materials under fulfillment are generating values. My database of raw materials is now connected to my new product. We will be wrapping up the Getting Started series in our next and final step.